In this video we can talk about top 5 AI Picasso alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives Co-channel, your go-to destination for insightful comparisons and popular alternatives in the world of technology and innovation. In today's video, we will go through artistic ingenuity as we uncover exceptional alternatives to AI Picasso, the groundbreaking AI-powered artistic tool that has redefined the canvas of creativity. The top 5 alternatives of AI Picasso, which are Midjourney, Pixray, Deep AI, Wepik, and Crayon. From transformative AI artistry to real-time collaborative doodle enhancements, our exploration promises a deeper understanding of these alternatives' features, assisting you in making an informed choice. So, let's begin. Introducing our first alternative is Midjourney. Midjourney stands as a comprehensive solution for producing visually appealing artwork with minimal effort. It offers features like predefined templates, reduced risk, and creativity boost. By addressing the intricate dynamics of collaborative endeavors, Midjourney aims to elevate team productivity and project outcomes. One of its standout features is the adaptable Kanban boards that provide an intuitive framework for managing tasks and monitoring progress. Introducing the second alternative is Pixray. Pixray is a pioneering AI tool that embarks on a journey to transform concepts into vivid visual representations, enriching creative projects with AI-generated imagery. It offers features like image editing, diffusion models, and text-to-image. Pixray is an open-source art generator that uses VQGA and clip-based models. While there's an API and Python implementation, there's also a free demo on the website. Pixray's standout feature is its concept interpretation prowess positions that lets you bridge the gap between imagination and visualization seamlessly. Next up on our list is Deep AI. Deep AI emerges as an AI-driven platform dedicated to image upscaling and enhancement. It offers features like deep neural network architecture, high-resolution images, and multiple image generation. It employs sophisticated algorithms to augment the resolution and quality of images, even from low-resolution sources. It's particularly valuable for applications like enlarging images for print or enhancing surveillance footage. Deep AI's standout feature is its prowess in upscaling images, making it an invaluable tool for industries where visual clarity and precision are paramount. Moving on, we have Wepik. Wepik is an expansive online design platform providing a range of customizable templates and collaboration tools. It offers features like AI image generation, pre-made images, and multilingual support. Wepik facilitates collaborative design efforts by enabling multiple users to work on a design project simultaneously, enhancing team efficiency. Its standout feature is AI-driven design recommendations, which guide users in optimizing their designs with data-driven insights. Last but not the least, we have Crayon. Crayon, a unique AI-powered tool, takes doodling to new heights by infusing AI-generated insights and suggestions into the playful process of doodle creation. It offers features like AI art generator, stable diffusion image generator, and photo-to-painting online. The AI learns an artist's preferences and gradually tailors its suggestions to match individual creative inclinations. One of the standout features of Crayon is its ability to offer real-time AI doodle enhancements during the creative process. Compared to AI Picasso, Midjourney's adaptive learning stands out for its ability to intuitively evolve alongside artists' preferences, contributing to a refined AI-human creative partnership. Pixray's forte in rapidly transforming abstract ideas into visual representations makes it a go-to tool for efficient concept visualization. Deep AI's unparalleled ability to generate multi-layered depth and textures empowers artists seeking to add a physical dimension to their digital works, thereby enhancing the visual experience. Wepik's AI-driven vector precision excels in producing intricate and scalable designs, catering to artists focused on precise geometric forms. And Crayon's real-time AI doodle enhancements transform the act of doodling into a collaborative venture, showcasing AI's potential as an immediate creative partner. After thorough research multiple AI tools, we would recommend Crayon as the best alternative complementing AI Picasso's innovative approach. Crayon's real-time AI doodle enhancements and collaborative playfulness provide a unique avenue for artists seeking immediate interaction between their creativity and AI insights, offering a dynamic fusion that stimulates unconventional artistic tangents. As we conclude our video, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the myriad possibilities that these alternatives offer. To stay tuned to more illuminating comparisons. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.